funny.
No, it's not funny, Claire.
No, it's not funny.
It's pretty funny.
It's not funny, Cecil. You just have to be careful.
Claire, it's not funny.
It's not funny. It's not funny. No, Cecil. This is my shoe. Oh, no. This is my seal. And this is my bowl, too. Oh, no. Cecil, too.
Sister, what are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you going to do?
She's trying to get your cereal.
Oh, no.
Conley, take your cereal away.
Oh, no. How am I going to get out?
You're going to have to take your cereal with you.
He's trying. Your legs are blocking him.
But my legs. Hey. Oh, thanks.
Sister, what's the matter? Claire, did Conley take your cereal away from you?
He just wants one.
Here she comes.
He wants one. He wants
She is just relentless.
Here. You can have one.
Good job, Conley.
Okay.
You're a good sharer.
And he can have one.
Just one. She's got enough, Conley. She's not even supposed to have that.
He's gonna get my cereal. He's gonna get my. Hey, he's gonna get my Target cereal.
I know. You better
Don't
move your
let her
chocolate
get it.
cereal. Or
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm nothing. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you taking?
Conley, you better go watch your cereal. Look at sister. She's getting around it.
Why are you taking the pixel?
Oh no, Conley.
Conley, look out. Look out. Look out.
This is my TV room.
It is.
Uh-oh, Conley. She says, no, brother, don't do it.
I said no.
Because she shook her head because she doesn't want you to take her cereal away from her.
Huh?
She's shaking her head because she doesn't want you to take the cereal away. Conley, don't give her any more cereal.
She just got.
No more, Conley.
I just gave one to me.
You gave her lots of them.
You only gave her one.
You gave her many over there.
And he's sharing.
I'm sorry.
Tell mommy I'm a good sharer.
I'm a good sale. I'm going to sell. I'm just selling.
I know. What do you do?
Good job sharing. High five. Good job sharing.
What's wrong, Mommy?
Nothing's wrong, Conley.
Hey, why did you got the camera?
Because I'm videotaping how silly you two are. Look at your sister.
So when you add the fuel economy of the Chrysler Town and Country to its consumer loyalty awards, it's a sign that says no matter where people are going, the Chrysler Town and Country is the one that keeps bringing them back.
And here we're gonna watch this movie.
You don't like scary movies.
Huh?
Conley! Do I need to take your cereal away from her, you, Conley?
What are you doing?
He keeps giving sister Cocoa Puffs.
Are they bad for her?
Yeah, they're not supposed to. She's not supposed to have them.
But she wants one.
She's not supposed to have Cocoa Puffs?
The chocolate she's not supposed to have. That's why I said okay for like one.
Huh?
It's so probably okay to have her to have like a 1 or 2, but
Who's
she's
gonna have Cocoa Puffs?
because they're not supposed to have sugar or chocolate before they're 1.
It measures each blood sample not once, but twice. Don't just be sure. Be double sure.
Claire,
Kyle,
Claire.
So, Malcolm, you do know that energy savers are 6 times longer than ordinary light bulbs. This isn't my room. It's Baron Davis, the basketball player.
Are you dancing, Claire?
Interesting,
Dance.
because we have Baron Davis.
Shake your butt. Shake your butt. There you
Good
go.
dancing, Conley. Show me how you dance.
Show me how you dance, Conley. Shake your butt.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Can you show me how you get down? Can you move your elbows?
huh?
Oh yeah.
And then what?
Like this.
And then what?
Like just like that.
And then what?
Just like that. That's good dancing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.